Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial to explore. In this video, I'll show you how to get GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot acts like your AI pair programmer. It isn't about code completion, it's about shifting from writing syntax to managing logic. Start, type in a function name or a comment. Copilot will predict the rest of your line or block in light gray text. Press Tab to accept the suggestion, and it will eliminate the need to remember exact syntax for standard library calls or repetitive boilerplate code. Copilot is exceptionally good at turning natural language into code. Just type a comment like function to calculate the Fibonacci sequence up to n terms. That's an example. Pause for a second, and Copilot will generate the implementation. You can then refine the logic in the chat if needed. And it is as simple as that, no hassle at all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.